It's easy to get thousands of prescriptions, but it's that tough to get a single remedy. The thought itself tells us how important pharmacists are in our day-to-day life. If this profession is this important, we can't even compare the level of importance education of pharmacy has in our life. Day by day, the pharma sector is becoming an emerging boom, and today, we, the students of Matoshri Institute of Pharmacy, are here to give a brief intro about an emerging pharma college in Europe.
Landmark on the map of the nation for quality education, research-based activities, empowerment of the future generation, and giving a verdict of the promising tomorrow for a complete education solution in the academics. The campus offers degree and diploma courses with 60+ intake for each unit.
The institute was established in 2015 under the leadership of founder Honorable Shri Kishore Bhodarade, a man of wisdom, and managed by the Shri Rupesh Bhodarade, the backbone of India. Currently, the institute is headed by Dr. Rasika Bhalke Barole ma'am, who is apt at building good connection with the pupils. She is an excellent listener and an organized and a prepared individual. She has leadership skills and a vision to provide all-round development to the students at maximum she can. She has been working to create climate hospitable to education. She had 17+ years of experience in teaching and 80+ publications in national and international journals.
The institute vision to create a center of excellence, leading towards enhancing pharmaceutical research and practices. Institute focuses to achieve bringing education and industry's philosophy coexisting dynamically and keep students performing at the peak level in the present and future.
The faculty here is friendly with extensive knowledge of the subjects. They are a sort of anytime approachable professor, being passionate towards their field. They are caring, respectful, and good in adaptability. The faculty also influence the student by giving real-life examples and exchange of the best practices. The institute provides lush campus and various other facilities like well-equipped lab, college hostel, transport facilities, canteen, library, computer lab, sports, conference hall, free Wi-Fi, parking, and much more. The environment of institute refreshes us and gives us a new hope of excellence future.
The institute not only focuses on academics but also in extracurricular and co-curricular activities like presentation, guest lecture, GPAT lecture, life skill development programs, university level competitions, and making students all-round developed. The campus also celebrates ethnical days like Ganesh Utsav, Shiva Jayanti, Christmas, Dahi Handi festival, Fun Fair, Teachers Day, Women's Day, traditional days, and annual gatherings. the fact we, being the student of the college, would like to share is that there is a response and presentable environment. That is, the friendly staff helps us to promote in all the tasks as they can. In short, new institution is never a small. Rather, it's more supportive, innovative, cooperative, and boost you to the maximum as they can.